Hello guys, welcome to the Global Online YouTube channel. I'm Arvind and in today's session we are diving into some crucial MCQs for the CTET 2024 exam. Whether you are just starting your CTET journey or looking to sharpen your skills, this video is packed with everything you need. I'll be going over each question with its correct answer followed by the clear explanation to help you understand the concepts better. Guys, before moving forward, I would like to introduce Global Online's complete CTET 2024 course covering all the subjects with the full syllabus. You will get the access to video lectures and interactive live classes from expert educators. In this course, we have complete syllabus notes, topic-wise MCQs and mock tests to sharpen your skills. This course is made specially for CTET 2024 aspirants, giving you every tool you need for the success. For more details, contact us on WhatsApp on the given numbers, or you can simply download Global Online app from Play Store. So let's get started. Which of the following is the lightest gas? We have an option for this question. Option A, hydrogen. Option B, helium. Option C, oxygen. And option D, carbon. So students, among the following options, we have hydrogen as the lightest gas. It has the smallest and lightest atoms consisting of just one proton and one electron. Because of its low molecular weight, hydrogen is much lighter than rest of the other elements like helium, oxygen, carbon dioxide. This is why hydrogen is often used in balloons and airships. Although it's highly flammable, hence it should be handled with care. So the correct option is option A, hydrogen. Let's see next question. Water in an open vessel is cooler than the surrounding environment even in summer because ... We have option for this. Water evaporates. Option B is water absorbs less heat than the atmosphere. Option C, water absorbs more heat than the atmosphere. And option D, cooling is a property of water. So students, the condition is given water which is kept in open vessels. So as we all know, water has a property of evaporation. Water in an open vessel is cooler than the surrounding environment because of evaporation. When water evaporates, it changes from liquid state to the gaseous state. This process requires heat energy which is taken from water itself. As a result, the temperature of the remaining water decreases, making it cooler than the surrounding environment, even during the hot weather. So the correct option for this question will be option A, water evaporates. Let's move to the next question. This Dutch scientist provided the existence of a gas carbon dioxide. Options are Priest, B. Black, C. Ron Hellman, and option D. Ronald Ross. Students, the Dutch scientist Joseph Black is credited with discovering carbon dioxide. He demonstrated that carbon dioxide is a distinct gas which different from air, and he referred to it as fixed air. His experiments were important in the study of gases and helped lay a foundation for the development of modern chemistry. So the credit of discovering carbon dioxide is given to the Joseph Black, which is option B among the given options. So the correct option is B. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is an excellent conductor? Options are given: water, ice, timber, and brackish water. Brackish water is an excellent conductor of electricity because it contains dissolved salt which allow it to carry electric current. Water with high salt content like seawater or a brackish water is a much better conductor than the pure water. In contrast, pure water like distilled water is a poor conductor, and materials like ice and timber are generally not good conductors of electricity. So the correct options for this question is option D, brackish water. Let's see the next question. Diamond and graphite are made up of which element? We have options for this: carbon, silicon, manganese, and chlorine. Students, both diamond and graphite are made up of carbon. Despite being composed of the same element, they have different structures, which gives them very different properties. In diamond, each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms in a strong 3-dimensional structure, making diamond very hard. In graphite, the carbon atom are arranged in layers with weak bonds between the layers, allowing graphite to be a soft and slippery, which is why it is used in pencils. So the correct option among these is option A, carbon. Okay, let's move to the next question. The purity of gold is expressed in terms of ... We have option for this. Option A, carat. Option B, ounces. Option C, pounds. And option D, none. So friends, The purity of gold is expressed in terms of a carat, A 24 carat gold is considered as a pure gold. The higher the carat number, the purer the gold. For example, 18 carat gold is 75% pure, while 22 carat gold is about 91.7% pure. This system helps to measure the amount of gold in an alloy or jewelry. So the correct answer among the option is option A, carat. Okay, let's see the next question. Which metal is a liquid at a room temperature? We have option for this: option A, mercury, option B, iron, option C, copper, option D, silver. So in case of mercury, is the only metal that is present in a liquid form at a room temperature. It has a melting point of about minus 38.83 degrees Celsius, which means it remains in a liquid form at a most temperature we encounter in daily life. Other metals like iron, copper and silver are solid at room temperature. So the correct option is option A, mercury, which is metal and liquid at room temperature. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Weight of iron when corroded. Options are given. Option A, decreases. Option B, increases. Option C, remains the same. And option D, decreases then increases. So friends, when iron corrodes or rusts, it reacts with oxygen and water to form iron oxide, which is a rust. This reaction results in an increase in mass because the iron combines with oxygen from the air and the rust is heavier than the original iron. Therefore, the weight of iron increases as it corrodes. So the correct answer among the option is option B, increases. Let's move on to the next question, guys. The cast iron is dash dash. Option are given: yellow, rust resistant, brittle, stainless steel. Friends, cast iron is a type of iron that contains a higher amount of carbon, about 2 to 4% compared to the steel. It is a brittle, meaning it can break or crack easily under stress or impact. While it is a strong, it lacks the flexibility of other materials like steel. Cast iron is commonly used in construction and machinery, but its brittleness limits its use in application where flexibility is required. So the correct answer among the option is option C, brittle. Let's move on to the next question. Newton experimentally proved that sunlight is made up of 7 colors of the rainbow. He published his research on the properties of light in his book, which is dash dash. Option are option A, optics, option B, Principia, option C, New Atlantis, option D, Novum Organum. So friends, Newton was the renowned scientist in physics. He published his research on properties of light and his discovery that sunlight is made up of 7 colors of a rainbow in his book Optics. In this work, he explained his experiment with prisms and how they could split white light into its constituent colors, which we see as a rainbow. So the correct answer of the question is option A, optics. So guys, here we completed the session. Remember, consistency is the key to master any exam. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more practice and insights. Let's keep building your confidence and best luck with your preparation. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Thank you. Bye-bye.